One thing I can say that in this university, whether you are coming for a Young Thinkers Forum or whether you're doing a degree in computer science or biology or history, this core set of skills or outcomes are woven into the curriculum in a very proactive way.
It was an absolute pleasure to have 40 students from all across the country join us for this Young Thinkers Forum Summer School, which just happened recently in the month of June. We had a very diverse community of students who came around from almost 18 schools of Delhi, NCR, and the country across. We represented about 9 states. So it was absolutely wonderful to have them all come over to our campus, engage with our staff members, faculty, students, alumni, and so much more on campus.
This kind of exposure at a very early age is going to take you very long in terms of how you can perceive the world around you. And ultimately, it's that perception that really matters.
These 5 days were the most memorable days, and each of the days had brought new and exciting learning opportunities, from lectures to fun activities. I'm grateful to be a part of this summer school, and where not only I learned new skills, but I built connections with other fellow learners.
So the atmosphere here at SNIOE is really great. The facilities provided by the university are top-notch to ensure learning and to maintain health. The ISC, the Indoor Sports Complex, provides professional level facilities to stay fit for everyone on the campus. The sessions here are really great and the entire campus is environment friendly.
I'm very fortunate that I'm here. The teachers were awesome. They answered every question that we asked, all the students very enthusiastically.
Shiv Nadar University has some of the best amenities, some of the best faculty and some of the best experiences that you can get from anywhere in India that I'm aware of.
For children who've been born in cities and they have no experience to the nature and the world outside, it is really fun experience to be in the nature far away from the city, to stay away from your parents with such supportive faculty members, the guards, the teacher, the staff, the teachers. They are so knowledgeable for us, they are so cool with the doubts, they are so friendly with us to be here.
This summer camp has been nothing short of extraordinary. From the moment we arrived, we were greeted with warmth and a sense of belonging. There was truly a positive energy and a friendly atmosphere during the camp. The variety of activities and workshops offered throughout the camp was exceptional. Whether it was sports, designing, pottery, or engaging educational sessions, there was always something exciting to participate in.
I am a very big nature lover, and as soon as I entered the campus, everything was so green. It was full of greenery, so I loved that very fact.
We felt so confident leaving my 14-year-old here for the very first time for any residential program that she's ever done before. And I'm yet to hear from her, but the smile on her face tells me already that she thoroughly enjoyed it and she felt very safe here.
It is not just opening doors for my Purva, but also her younger sister who's sitting next to me. Pavni is her name, and maybe next year when she enters her 8th grade, she will be here again too. So I'm so happy, and I'm sure this pleasure is being shared by all these parents who are sitting in this auditorium along with me.
While the program was 6 days, fully immersive, lots of action, we do miss having them again, and we will look forward to them coming us to again and again, year after year, for all the summer schools and the winter schools that we'll be planning in the future.